that will start off for here today as we get underway with our first of 3 games in the schedule. And a block point is scored quickly. She's gotten used to that red hairdo already, huh? In the meantime, Mendez, and that'll count as Mendez gives the first point to Chocomucho. Mga terms natin dito, ha? Samantala, Santiago Manabat with her serve. From the middle we go. It is down and out, and it's Chocomucho back in front by 2.
Sure, it's not gonna get back on their side. A single block against Rodriguez.
Biggest of crowds we've had, but this is probably one of the noisiest. This is very much in play. Nice slide on the floor. Dina battling in the middle. It's kept very much alive. Paki playable. Bell got to it. Bell will fire away. She's rejected.
Match that we've been anticipating.
At first set pa lang tayo as this is underway. That's blocked solidly.
In full display today. I believe this is their second kill block already of the set. Look at Mean Mendrez. Great penetration of her hands and Maddie different options ng attacks na pwede niyang gawin. Kasi puro double block kay Cat Bell but their coverage is absent. However, this time no need to cover on that one.
Gawa puntos ba kailangan mo, coach? Ito. Cat Bell all set to serve. Faki has to kneel down. This one crawls over from Santiago Manabat. Faki scores on the regalo. And here comes Isamolde serving. Oh, that's an open house right there, that zone.
Are the errors from both teams?
I think a bit of the tension of the game getting into the both teams. Let's see if they'll settle down in the second set. This one is elevated high. Galang! That is rejected as Ortiz and Wong connive.
Really reflected in this game. Just look at that. The blocking pattern of leading over the Charitigo crossovers. No bunots yet for Coach Kung Fu.
Alam mo, pining for a win itong Chocomucho because their season has been up, down, and mostly down with 1 and 4 as their record. This is partially missed. Dina Wong and the reverse set. It's a drop. It's a drop! Kanina, doon sa feature natin, parang warm ng connection nila. And Cat Bell just so happy to be back in the Philippines. Drop that time. Wong keeps it alive. Here's Santiago Manabat. Bell missing that. Dunking. Pasalubong ng bayan.
Even yung offense ito ni Ara Galang. And you know that the goal of Coach Kung Fu talagang magkaroon ng ibang perspective.
Correct.
Itong kanyang mga weapons because he took out yung kanyang top 2 attackers in Cat Bell and Ara Galang. But speaking of attack, just look at Micah Ortiz. 74 feels when she won UAAP Best Attacker. Those are running attacks.
Watching her and covering her in UST. 3 points already for her. Oh, good counter. Iba-ibang generations ng UAAP to, ha? Paat from Adamson, of course. Mendrez from UE. Here's Mendrez firing away, getting it to bite.
Trademark using the hands of the blockers. Just look at that. Targeting Jasmine Nabor and going down the line to get set number 1 for the Flying.
Deep into his arsenal, he has now brought Abby Maranyo to the floor, and my reunion with so many UAAP players is complete this afternoon. In the meantime, Thang Ponce. Here's Mendrez. Bell is back in action. Paat doing what she does best. Look at Paat and Maranyo combine at the net. Parang she's confident spreading the butter around and sharing the bread with everybody.
And very relaxed.
Yes, yes. I've seen Dina when she's flustered and she's disappointed.
Pero on the floor.
Sabi ni Dina, alala mo to? Ginagawa natin to dati. Galang keeps it from sailing out. Ponce has been busy. Madayag is foiled and it's recalibrated. And one hand, no whistle we play on. Faki dances in the air. Here comes Bell. Her version. Did she get it? Yes, what an angle.
Ganda ng setup doon ni Verdeflor, itong si Choco Mucho. Pero alam kasi nila kung ano yung babantayan eh, di ba? Dito ka magaling, okay, dito kami magpe-prepare. And the game plan is really working for Coach Dante.
Yes, and you played with and against Ara. She's one of the most transparent, di ba? 13-7 count here. Watch this.
Let's see if Karandang can be the spark plug for the crossovers.
They're looking for fire here. Oh, look at this. Blocked out, and it's now...
For the Cheritigo crossovers, one of the mainstays also.
Alam mo nung araw when UE was not really doing so well. She was the lone bright star for that team. In the meantime, combination! There she is. She has her second point of the match.
Ganda rin ng matchup ng mga former Lady Warriors.
In the meantime, defensive gem.
Tallest front row for the Flying Titans is this rotation. And just look at the timing of Faki and Ortiz. Maliban dun sa penetration, saradong-sarado eh.
Correct. Nowhere to go. Kalang blocked!
Look at that.
Yung quarterfinals, 1-8, 2-7, 3-6, 4-5. The 10th of production for them. We have a timeout here on the floor. To motivate the team actually.
And on that last time out, makikita mo, kalmado version ni Coach Kung Fu. Because we've seen him really explode in those timeouts.
We've seen him go bananas.
But ngayon, mukhang yung kailangan talaga nila is motivation and encouragement. Because so far, whatever they do, they cannot convert. And even Robles, a former UAAP Finals MVP, getting across the net. And look at the disparity in terms of block points. I think this is their 12th. Exhausted a lot of people from his lineup. Another player just came in right now.
Kaya that's why Kung Fu has been saying, ilihis nyo. Naka-establish na yung block, ilayo nyo sa block. Faki gets it to crawl inside. And even she is playing one of her best games.
Cheritigo, hindi naman mapayungan ng mabuti yung atake nito Choco Mucho. Dumudulas lang.
Oh, I think Robles got that. Robles, quite a producer of points.
Ganda ng hanap niya ng butas doon and very fearless because kung tutuusin, she chose the dapat pero inintay lumagpas yung bola for that down the line
opening. Ang gusto ko kay Ces, hindi siya masyado matangkad pero ano siya, superwoman eh. Lumilipad eh. Hulog, Dina Wong. Sabi, kayo nang bahala dyan. Santiago Manabat gets it to hit the floor.
23-10. Of course, Choco Mucho having a lot of disadvantages stat-wise against Cheritigo, but they're proving they want to maintain this big lead and contain Cat Bell.
Tang Ponce like a setter already. Faki handled well by Adorador, and it's on the line. Masterfully crafted move. The challenge does not proceed, and that'll bring the set to a close at hindi na ipupursu their direction because they're playing at a below par game based on their 4-1 record that they registered in the conference so far in pool competition. Bell tries to get them going. She scores her 5th point.
Masyadong malayo yung disparity in that department. Kailangan dun sila makabawi, but din Santiago Manabat.
Mukhang hindi natuloy yung challenge, so we play on at 5-all. Here's the quick. Rodriguez not hitting it cleanly. Faki, and it's kept in play on the back row. Here's the shot. Yes, sir!
Landing right on the line.
Like a bullet there. On 2 goes Dina, and that's her second successful dump on 2.
It's a big factor as to why the whole Choco Mucho is so in sync right now. And on top of that, her efforts as a offensive.
You can't dilly-dally with the challenge.
There's only a certain period of time for you to call for the challenge. Right now, everything going right for Choco Mucho.
8-7 is the count here.
It's also a matter of peaking at the right time. And
Yes.
of course, if you're a team on the top of the standings, maintaining it kasi, the teams at the bottom ranks are also studying you.
Kasi gaya ng Akari, they're not... Aha. Tumawid sa net. Ara trying to be creative. Lively action on the floor. Galang fires. Handled well by Dindin Santiago Manabat. Mendres is blocked. It's inside. Chill again. Pati yung daddy ni Angel kanino. Yung mga yan. Mga tatay ng... Samantala, huli! Sa likod. Paki says, what's your problem? I got it. Mendres. Oh, great move that time by Gaston. Bell. Paki says, I'm here. Ara says, so am I. Nabor, her version. Ganda ng palo. Ganda ng palo ni Mendres. Thiago Manabat with 12, Mendres with 10.
And of course, the defense of Tang Ponce cannot just go unnoticed. Ganda ng mga coverages niya, which leads to all these conversions.
Bell. Oh, sabi niya, tao lang, tao lang. Tao lang, malayo po ako.
Ipapahinga muna as we see Belmolde checking in for some front row action for Coach Dante. She gets set up right away. An instant offense for Isa Molde. These games in the latter part of the pool eliminations dahil hindi pa po tapos, hindi pa guaranteed yung top 8 na nasa current standing. Dahil the likes of Choco Mucho right now, and even Coach Kung Fu knows na even that they're at a lead right now, 2 points up, hindi pa rin to comfortable lead, especially with the ratings are going and the kind of game Choco Mucho has been playing.
Blocked, but Tang Ponce is the floor manager covering everything. It is still alive. Mendres sends it long to the end row, and Mendres with a sterling game here today. 16-18 tally here. 18 serving against 16 as butas.
The full front lineup for the Choco Mucho. They are behind by 1 point. They could take this in 3 sets where they would earn 3 quotient points.
That's in their minds probably right now. Blocked. Lapol keeps it very much in play. Pat is back in. She was a starter. This one curls in. And Mendres, what a game. Kanya-kanya swerte, no ha? Ortiz. Big car. Pat coming to life here.
If there's anything Coach Kung Fu needs right now, it's someone who...
Mendres, who has been solid throughout the game. Oh, what happened there? The Cheritigo bench. Ang daming crawler, ha? That'll work. We're tied at 22 as Din continues to...
The tightest set of the game so far.
Yes.
22 all.
Oh, yan ang tag natin sa volleyball dyan. Puto talaga. That's blocked! That is solidly blocked! Isa Molde! Sails in cleanly. That is inside. Look at the block points. You just saw that on your graphic.
Makikita na kayang-kaya pang magising ito ni Bell.
Big effort to keep it alive. Galang brings them.
This serve by Jasmine Nabor because Cheritigo was a full front lineup.
But they make do. Kept in play. Ponce hooking it over. Nabor. Galang. And we're done. We'll go to 4 sets.
The earlier part of the conference. Pero pag padulo, natatalo ka and then come the knockout game, di ba, mababa yung moral mo. So even the sequence of the win-loss, very important in this tournament.
Let's get this 4th set going. And again, just like in the 3rd set, Bell, 8-2 tally here in favor of Cheritigo. Reverse. Bell missed it. Okay. 13-6 na yan, ha? Officially, 13-6 na tayo. Ang score natin 13-6.
So the challenge was successful.
Was successful. Successful yung challenge.
Oof.
Ooh! On fire!
Defaulting to those very explosive spikes.
18 points. May araw, kailangan swerte ka din. Faki. Nicely done. Straight into that hole.
For Choco Mucho.
Alam mo, ang defensive patterns, pinapractice din yan. Hindi naman puro offensive lang ang ball.
So ito, it takes years of practice for you in the first 2 sets. Pero right now, dun ulit nagkakaproblema. So they need to stick back to their game plan if they want to stay alive in this match. They do have the advantage in terms of sets won. So now also she's balancing it the way Dina balanced it the first 2 sets.
Valdez swings it. Din, what a game. 15 points.
Now for Coach Dante. Kasi si Faki nakikita natin, nilalabas-pasok din as we see Molde on the floor to replace her. Oof. Look at Aragala.
Come to life here.
Also, no? Yung talagang kaya mong i-pick up yung laro mo. Because we've seen her struggle throughout the first and second set.
Oh, well done on the quick.
6 points away from extending this to another 5-setter.
And Galang coming to life with 10 points. They were very shaky in the first 2 sets, especially in that second set.
And of course, for Choco Mucho, this is also a test of character for them in a way na kailangan nilang kapitan what momentum they built in the first 2 sets.
Nabor. Oh, full swing by Gaston. Short serve. Knocked in.
Big time in that third set win.
Lalim. One-handed recovery. Paat hooks it over. That's playable. Stretch it to Tobino. Doremdes. Bicar. Tinago si Paat. Tobino. Hinabol. Palo in the... Oh, that's outside. And the point will belong just above the net. Bell receiving. Per the floor. Oh, mishandled by Choco Mucho.
She's very effective as an attacker. And I believe in their very first game of the tournament, she was even the starter in a lineup na talagang contributing big numbers also for the Flying Titans.
And bringing it to 16-23. Ako, this indecision. They make do. Gaston can't nail it to the back row. Bicar. Gaston punches it over. Not properly set. Cap Tolentino knocks it in. Aroni, sorry, it's Tobino. Tobino coming to life. 4 points coming off the bench.
Well, she's very passionate ever since.
Kita niyo yun? Huh? Bell. Oh, General Tobino. Yes! Tolentino serve. Bell. Oh, overpass. Muntik madiinan yung regalo na yan. Tobino again. Not this time around, however. Labor, Bell. Hello. We arrive at set point. Slow pace, but it's how you get there.
I'm not sure if it's part of her contract to score at least 20 points per game.
And it doesn't matter how many sets, as long as 20.
But she did make sure.
But she's capable of that, no question. Tobino inside. Tobino with 6 points.
Set alone, imagine the production that she could do with more minutes, but she's shared the minutes with someone as a fit. And nakasira din kasi sa game plan ng Cherry Tigo, yung aaralin mo si Tobino tapos mag-produce si Mendrez, but that error.
It was Cherry Tigo with a better record at 4-1. They want to maintain that. Bell, first point, blocked, however. Gaston swings it over. Down the middle, Malaluan. Where the floor is there. Ponce as well. Mendrez! Bell says no way. Bell says this way. Big stretch by Dina Wong. Ponce lifts it. Santiago Manabat unable to get it across. First point belonging to Cherry Tigo. Here's Gaston. Mendres. Oh, yes. Like she never left.
They pull out their sleeves with the leadership of Cat Bell, of course. Kasi yan,
Ponce.
hindi naman yan magagawa na nag-instruct si coach during the game.
Yeah,
diba?
exactly.
It's the leadership of the players themselves.
Yeah. We're tied at 2. Malaluan serve in play. Bell in play. Madayag swings it over. Nabor. Bell to the end zone. Galang. Malaluan. Paki. Kept in play still by DePaul. Bell rejected but out. Her serve. Mendres. Ah, well done. Madayab ties it all up at 3. When you think, you be careful, play cautiously, you can't actually. Bell. Bell unable to get it across, and the lead changes hands.
Madayag, 5 block points already. Ooh.
That punches through.
But this time, going all power. Look at the elevation as well, powering through the double block of both reinforcements are at the back row.
Faki. Nabor. Galang. Faki keeps it on their side. Mendres. Elevated high by Molde. Mendres. Check ball.
Yung mga blockers niya, hindi na rin alam.
What a battle here. First of 3 games in our schedule. Free ball. Not too many free balls in this game, really. It's all attack, attack, attack. And it's a 3-point lead by Chocomucho.
Let's go on the Pilipinas Live app for 149 pesos as Zoe serves the ball.
You know, so many players stepping into center stage, and our poll question hard to answer here today. The way I heard it from referee Celso, apparently, oh, look at this. This is clearly so. Madayag. Bell. Ooh, nearly mishitting it. Adorador. Wong. Malaluan. They want it. No whistle. We play on. We play on. Mendres. It's long. They want to challenge it. Bell.
Madayag even loading up on her serves.
Yes.
Regardless whether it's a 5th set, kailangan
Yun ang
manigurado.
gusto ni Coach Dante, di ba? Oh, but excellently blocked, secured, airspace. I think it was Gaston.
Cat Bell is now in the front row. That block is very important because it could change the momentum for both teams.
Ay, muntik na yun. Dina. Mendres. Oh, by the simplest of ways. It is now a 13-8.
Number 2 in scoring for Chocomucho.
15. Adjustment Bell.
Oof.
Oh, what an angle. She enjoyed that. They took the last 2 sets. Keep that in mind. Mendres. Bell. Ooh. Yes, that's where you want to go. Bell. Oh, Paki, what a big dig. Blocked. One more time. Ponce alanganin. Yes, it was too close to the net. Tang knew it.
Can't even remember since it was far off against Zeus Coffee.
Malaluan. This is a tough one. Nabor, free ball. Chance to attack. Paki full swing. Recovered, retained. Bell gets it to go. It's inside.
What an effort. The Bleachers just to keep that ball in play. And Look at Kat Bell with the finishing touches.
Two-point game. Ponce. Dina Wong. Oh! Santiago Manabat ices it, and Choco Mucho takes the win.